Keneisys Virtual StrongBox Technology, the freedom to securely store and transfer your most valuable data anywhere. The Keneisys Virtual StrongBox is a secure file container that gives users the ability to protect their private and confidential information at the file level. Within each Keneisys Virtual StrongBox contains unique enforcement policies, dynamic user access permissions, authentication criteria, and tamper-proof audit trail. Since all of the security resides at the file level, users can take their secure data anywhere without compromising its security. To create a virtual StrongBox, simply select the file or files you wish to secure and drag them onto the VSB icon. Next, you will be required to authenticate yourself. This process entails entering your Keneisys digital ID and passphrase. Now, you are asked to name your newly created VSB and save it. Finally, you have the option to delete the original source file. Contained within every virtual StrongBox is a dynamic permissions matrix that is unique to that VSB. The permission matrix enables authorized users to change access rights to the VSB without decrypting their protected files. Assigning permissions to a VSB is as simple as selecting a Keneisys digital ID from your local Keneisys keyring and dragging it into the appropriate permission group. If you do not have a user listed in your local keyring, looking them up is as simple as typing their Keneisys digital ID into the find field and hitting enter. If that person's Keneisys digital ID is found, it is returned and can be added to both the newly created VSB and your local keyring for future use. Within each VSB is a self-contained, tamper-evident, digitally signed and encrypted audit trail. Each audit trail records the complete history and remains with the VSB, regardless of where it is stored or where it is transported. Adding a file to an existing virtual StrongBox is as simple as dragging the selected data file into the VSB. Again, you are asked if you wish to delete the original source file. Once a file or files are secured within the Keneisys VSB, accessing them is done by double-clicking on the VSB to open it. The Keneisys Virtual StrongBox Manager will ask you to authenticate yourself, which requires entering your Keneisys ID and passphrase. Once the VSB is open, you will be granted access to the secure files within it. To work with a file, simply double-click the file you want to work with. The file will automatically launch the appropriate application. Once you complete working with that data file, simply click Save and the file is resaved within the secure Keneisys Virtual StrongBox.